So hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about the sleep command. So basically sleep command we use in the shell script to pause some time between two particular commands. So for example, if you want to execute the second command after 3 seconds from the first command, so at that time you can use sleep. So you can mention first command then the sleep command, and in the sleep command if you mention 5, so it will be wait for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it will execute the second command. So in this way we can use sleep command in Linux machine. So here we will create a script which is sleep.sh for getting the hands on the sleep command. Okay, and now go inside the sleep. Done. First of all mention bing bash. Okay, done. Here now we will mention our first command. Okay, so here first command do echo I am first command. Okay, done. Then here mention sleep. So here sleep we want to stop for the 3 seconds. Okay, you can mention 3 years. Then now second command I am second command. So in this way we can wait, and again mention the sleep command. Okay, sleep for again say 2 seconds. Then mention third command, so it will take some time to execute each and every command. And third command. Okay, done. Okay, done. So let execute. Okay, now you can see it will wait for the 3 seconds, and after that it will print each and every line. Okay, so in this way we can use the sleep command. It will keep some interval between commands to be executed. So those sleep command. First of all, if you do not mention anything like seconds, m for minute, h for hour, and d for d, so it will be execute after 5 seconds by default. Okay, by default it uses seconds. And if you mention like 5s, okay, so it means it execute after 5 seconds. Okay, if you mention 3 minutes, okay, so it will execute after 3 minutes. Okay, minutes. If you mention 2 hours, it will be executed after 2 hours. And if you mention a day, so it will execute after 1 day. Okay, or say 24 hours. So in this way sleep commands works. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this.